So let's talk about MYX. It's MYX Finance. Right now it's sitting at $12.82. And I've covered this coin 1 month ago, 4 weeks ago. Unfortunately, it didn't get a lot of views. It only received 198 views. Otherwise, this thing that you're seeing, this green big ass dildo candle on this coin, that was pretty much what we discussed last time, because over there it was a bit longer video. But I mean, even when I make short videos, I generally try to keep videos 3 to 4 minutes. I don't stretch ever. But over there I was talking about fundamentals and its potential, and I gave targets as what is the maximum marriage that you can have with this coin. I shared everything. I said that you can't stay with this coin beyond December, and I shared $2 as the maximum resistance. Maximum resistance means that once it breaks $2, it is going to go parabolic. And I shared over there at that time a retest of $1.3, which it did as well. So we were expecting a retest. Let me actually zoom it in for you, because this thing has gone so up, it's harder to see. So we had a retest of 1.3. We expected it to do, at that time it was trying to break above $2, but of course the way things go up, it had gone up to 2.5, and over there I mentioned that what goes up comes down again, and we discussed the entries around $1.3. And did a retest. After that it's entered into an overall movement from 1.3 all the way down to $1, because 1.3 was the TA support area and $1 was the technical support area. It lived around the area of $1 for quite long, for so long. It hit 1.3, then $1. You can go and watch that video. I discussed both these regions, and then after all these weeks, finally it started pumping up. Now the question is, where the hell do we go from here? Because clearly if 198 people watched it, most probably only one person took action. The question is, where are we going to go from here? Well, the answer to it is simple. As this coin has moved so dramatically up and you guys didn't bother watching, now the resistance for this thing is the all-time high price, close to its all-time high, which is $15. And we're going to use the psychological support area. Even though you don't see a line here, the $10 is going to be the psychological support area for this coin, for a very simple reason. When a coin goes up this dramatically, there is no clear support or anything over there, because you're talking about a coin that is sitting in a discovery area. It has never seen these prices. Each candle is 1 day. So there is not much action from the perspective of technical analysis. So all you can use is the psychological support areas. And I think it went to 14.7, $15 is the resistance. Now it will start liquidating some people. And of course, there is a possibility of shorts pressure getting developed. And same way when it initially went up to from few cents to 2.5, that was the time when I covered it a month ago. I told you that it is going to liquidate both sides, shorts and longs. First it will target the longs because it pumped crazily and people would expect that it would continue. It will retrace, so it went from 2.5 to 1.3 and $1 was the entry. Of course it went to 80 cents, but I had an entry up to the level of $1 because it's a psychological support area. And after that, we were expecting it bounce back to $2, which was a 100% move. And if I had received views, I would have come back and shared that what the hell to expect next. But anyway, it is what it is. Right now, $10 is a very good support area. As long as it doesn't dip below the area of $10 for more than 2 days, I would expect that it will stabilize this area. And then from 10 again, it will go back and hit 15. And then I'll come back. If I get views, I'll come back. I will let you know where we go from here. But if somehow it breaks below $10 for more than 2 days, it goes below $10 for more than 2 days, closes 2 daily candles with the body below it, that indicates that, okay, it is going to create a Burj Khalifa pattern which means that it will take its time, but this coin is actually going to go back towards the only area it had created as the high, which is the price point of $2.5. Of course, this is going to be extremely painful for the coin to come all the way down back to 2.5. It will end up creating a Burj Khalifa pattern if it doesn't stabilize above the area of $10. So let's see what it does. Right now it's sitting at 12.7 as we speak. $10 matters a lot. Losing it for more than 2 days, the way it went up in 2 days, all these higher targets, 2 days is more than enough for a confirmation. Going below that only indicates that it has started the downward journey. It was a pump and dump case scenario. Investors don't trust this project anymore. That is what losing $10 indicates, and then we will be going down to 2.5. And if it stabilizes above $10, that indicates that this coin is going to go towards 15 for sure, and maybe there is more potential and upside to this project. And that's everything you need to know about MYX. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment. And I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.